Today I'm going to design a plant pot cover using macrame technique. So join me along. Welcome to Crafting Treasures. For this project I've used a steel container. You can use a plastic or ceramic pot. I've taken some glue in a plate, diluted it with some water and mixed it well. Next, fix pieces of small newspaper on the container using the glue we just prepared. Once the whole container is covered, leave it to dry well and then apply another layer. I have applied at least 3 coats of newspaper and glue and let it dry well between each layer before proceeding to the next step. Next, I repurposed a pink wood primer that I had from a previous project. I've applied 2 coats and I've let it dry really well between the coats. These are sticks of traditional broom made out of veins of coconut tree leaves. I've taken a few of these sticks and cut it to small pieces. And then fix the sticks towards the bottom part of the container using wood glue. Leave it to dry very well for a few hours. Once the glue has dried up, we can start the macrame. For this, we need to take measurement of the length of the container and its circumference. This pink cord will be the base cord. The measurement is circumference plus 4 times the length of the container. The circumference of the container is 53 cm plus 4 times 10 cm, 93 cm. All the other cords are 4 times the length of the macrame required, that is 40 cm. I've arranged the cords in a pattern of 6 sets. Each set contains 4 blue cords in the middle, 2 purple cords on the sides, followed by 1 pink cord. Take the base cord, loop it around the container and mark the position where it needs to be tied. Fix the cord on the wall using a cello tape at the points marked. Take the first cord, fold it in half, bring it over the base cord and pull the ends of the cord through it. This is the lark head knot. We'll repeat this with all the other cords in the exact pattern we had arranged. Remove the base cord from the wall and tie it around the neck of the container with a simple knot. To keep it in place, I've temporarily used cords in between and taped it inside the container. Next, we are going to do square knots using the glue cords. Next, using the purple cords, we are going to form double half-hitch knots. Hold the outermost right cord towards the middle diagonally and form double half-hitch knots till you reach the center. Repeat this with leftmost purple cord from the outside to the middle. Before moving ahead to the next step, I removed the tape and the pink cords I used for supporting the base coat, and I loosened the lockhead nut, inserted a pink strand through it and tied a simple knot, and looped another pink cord and tied it in position to keep the base coat firmly in place. Next, using the pink cord and a purple cord from each side, first I'm creating a double hitch knot, then followed by a square knot. Cut and shape the end of the strands. Keep your desired plant pot inside it and you have a beautiful plant pot cover. If you enjoyed this video, check out the link you see on the side. See you there. Bye.